contemporary conscious dance. So as a person who has been training in dance since the age of 9, which is a long time ago, I know that you need your foundations. I'm going to turn this down just a little. So for me, it started with ballet. My family said that I had bad posture. They put me in this ballet class, and then look at me now. No, I'm kidding. But it was in ballet that I did learn how to hold myself. Last time we met on Sol Vida Worldwide Live, we talked about the power of using your center. And if you missed that, go check back an episode on the Sol Vida Facebook page. We are live streaming on IG and Facebook right now. So you can always check out the links in the bio, okay? But my point is, I like to help people with their foundations. It's actually something I am pretty good at. And so today, I just want to kind of groove with you guys. I'm kind of feeling these house, Afro, hip-hop sort of foundations, but you never know when I'm going to just throw in some true ballet or modern form. So play along with me, just follow along with what I'm doing tonight, and then I have some extra special announcements at the end of this little mini class. And I do want to know if you guys like this little online dance experience type situation that we're about to have. Please let me know. Let me know in the comments if you're like, yes, I love that, I want to do more. Because I want to do more. I want to offer more of this, traveling around the world and being able to dance with you wherever you are, okay? So let's get with it. I'm going to pump the music up. Just follow along. We're going to just sort of take it easy. Who knows? We might go crazy. But one of the big goals of Sol Vida style, okay, and then I want you to take this in, is that we're here to release our minds, to have fun, and to get free. Get free in the body, the mind, the spirit, okay? So holistic dance and performing arts, education, we like to take care of ourselves and love ourselves through this dance, through this body, through the breath. All right, cool. Thanks for being here. I love y'all. Let's turn it up. All right, just get the beat in your feet. And my little Facebookers, let's see, I feel like you can't really see my feet. I'm gonna try to fix that right quick. Hopefully this doesn't mess up everything. No, you can't turn your phone while you're recording. All right, everybody, are we in action here? I hope so. I'm not sure if that helped, but here we are. Anyway, you can check it out on Instagram. We're getting cool shots. Step, touch, and reach. It's like the end of the day dance. Step touch is actually one of the hardest things to do. For whatever reason, it takes a lot of coordination for some people, but just flow it for yourself. Step, touch. Another dance. This is what I'm talking about. Afro, Latin, house, it all happens together. You can add your own little twist. You can copy exactly what I'm doing, make it yours. You know what? I've been hanging out with the teens. I've also been watching drag queen stuff. don't even do this on purpose, but it always happens. The connections of our cultures and our dance styles are infinite. See what I'm talking about? Oh my God. That went by so fast. It's like, I'm gonna come on and dance for like 5 minutes with you guys. But we're gonna have one more dance at least. Catch our breath. Take this little moment here. I feel like a little let go, a little shakeouts. Whatever you need to release.
Trick, don't waste my time. Do not 69. Will not stop the deep. Do not leave the deep.
Well, it looks like the Get Free section came earlier than we expected. When you dance in Sol Vida style, you gotta go with the spirit. So, Get Free.
Will not stop the deep. Do not leave the deep. Trick, don't waste my time. Do not 69. Will not stop the deep. Do not leave the deep. Trick, don't waste my time. Do not 69. Will not stop the deep. Do not leave the deep. Trick, don't waste my time. Do not 69. Will not stop the deep. Do not leave the deep. Trick, don't waste my time. Do not 69. Will not stop the deep. Do not leave the deep. Trick, don't waste my time. Do not 69. Will not stop the deep.
Okay, I feel like I didn't teach you guys enough. I'm gonna kick in a little up rock here for you, okay? Just to give you one more move, snap. Ba. Ha. Ha. So you're presenting. It's a B-boy, B-girl move that you use to go into a cipher. And we're going slow motion right now.
Don't waste my time.
Cool. Alright, so that was like a little up rock, but I felt like it got a little Afro flavors in it. You guys, it doesn't matter. It's how you feel, okay? It doesn't matter what we call it, what we call each other. We all are living in this human experience, okay? I'm working on a project about the human experience. You guys gotta stay tuned for this. Lots of other fun things going on in the land of Sol Vida as well. But first we gotta dance for another moment. Let go. Doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl, a they or a them, a woman or a man. Do your thing. You be you. World needs you to shine in your bold truth. I ain't playing. The more you're willing to be crazy, a little crazy, the more you're gonna start seeing the magic, the 111s, the pennies, the fairies, the trees. Breathe. Girl, I swear to God, I could be voguing and doing all these things. Dance for life. We say Sol Vida por vida, sun life for life. Sun just feeds up this spirit and this essence, this movement energy. And I want to invite you all to feel these feelings because dance is the best way. It's literally one of the best ways that you can release and process and figure out and make statements. And I truly believe, this is gonna sound corny, but I believe that we can change the world through dancing. Whether it's you taking care of you and the personal dance that you need to do, or if you are in a dance company, in a dance ensemble, or in a theater group, that you are creating these works of art that go in and out into the world and say something. We all got to say something. Okay, I'm not gonna preach, but I do wanna let you know how you can work with me. I am booking and going back on tour. Yes, okay, so let's start with the bookings. I am working with yoga spaces, high schools, dance company, theater companies, retreat centers, conferences. You know them people that like to get together and express themselves. I want to work with them. So please, if that's something that you're into or you know somebody's into and could benefit from this power of Sol Vida, of having fun and releasing our minds and getting free in the body, can be a benefit to them, we want to do those things. Also booking workshops and master classes too. So if you want to study Sol Vida technique, which is a fusion of styles, or if you want to do things like vision boards and vision walking, we got you. Yes. Sol Vida Worldwide is here. We're shifting normalcy for young adults and women and people through transformative dance and wellness experiences, okay? We're here to feel good in the body and release. So you can work one-on-one with me too. Freedom coaching sessions are happening in this amazing space at the Art Gym in Denver, Colorado. You can also work with me online via Zoom or Google Hangouts. What else? Did you guys like this little dance experience? Did any of you dance with me? If you did, let me know. Let me know, say, I danced, send me a little dancing emoji. I hope that you dance. Even if you didn't do this dance, I hope that you dance. Leanne Womack know what she was saying. I think that's it. If you guys have questions, please don't fear asking. I know I hold myself back from a lot of things because I'm like, but I don't really want to ask. It's gonna make me feel something. Just ask, because what if you ask something and then you get the answer that you actually want? What if the best things happen? So I'm saying that, ask me. You can book a free consultation. I have like a little scheduling app. I'll leave it in the comments, and it's just like 15 minutes. We can just chat up and see what you're into and how we can do all the things together. I love you guys. I love this. I love that we get to have these moments. So blessings, new moon, blessings from me to you, from the universe. Moons, oh, that's a whole other topic. Hey, let's reconnect next week. Stay up on my IG stories and the Facebook jams. And I'm sure we're gonna be coming to you soon to New York. We're back in December. In the Bay Area, I hear you calling me. I hear you calling me, and I'm coming. Sol Vida, por vida.